Not bad when you meal prep for your son for the week, for his lunch. He loves my beef Roni, homemade beef Roni. I have been cooking it for him since he was a little boy. And he always loves it. He asked today, Mom, I'm going to the grocery store, and can you meal prep me for the week so I won't spend a bunch of money at lunch? I said, sure, son. What did you want? He said, my favorite dish, your beefaroni. I said, okay. I said, do you want elbows or what kind of pasta do you want? He said, oh, I'll find some at the store. And he did. I think he spent about $15, $16 for the total meal. But it's so delicious. Cooking on a budget. And eating healthy is the key. I am so glad that he asked me to meal prep for him so he wouldn't eat the McDonald's, the fast food. Amen. I am trying to spread awareness and know he does not have diabetes. And I try to do what is necessary for substitutions or something. I don't use a whole lot of salt. I use a lot of herbs. And in this dish, I used a lot of Italian seasoning. I used some extra basil, mozzarella cheese. I did use the classical tomato basil jar sauce because he doesn't, he's not a kidney patient. And I also used the sofrito. I have a bottle of the sofrito. And season it up with some, he wanted ground beef and Italian sausage, and that's what I put in it. And I'm just going to have a little taste. I'm going to cheat today because I really haven't been eating this week. Just a little snack in here that I haven't had an appetite. But they told me that I'm losing weight too quick, too much. So I'm trying to force myself to eat. So I'm just having a little bowl, just a taste test. But, like I said, there's no wrong way to cook. Cook to your dietary needs. Good night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, you can always substitute. You can make this a vegan dish. Use all vegan products. Impossible meat. Vegetarians. You can put mushrooms in here for your meat. Or however you want to do it. You could do plantains for your protein. I just encourage everyone to try to eat better, especially for my people that's pre-diabetic and the diabetic. Please control your A1C. Watch what you're eating. Fruits do have natural sugars. but it's better than refined sugars. Use the brown sugar in the raw. You can use honey. It's plenty other things that you can season your food with without salt. I use root vegetables. In everything that I do. People don't know it, but I do it. And it changes the flavor. It really does. And that's why I call my meals savory meals, because I incorporate eating savory and healthy together. I love to create dishes, and I hope that my method, people are sharing with their family. I do have someone that I talk to on YouTube, and she has lost weight by using my recipes. Just try it out, guys. No detox, no surgeries. You can do it. It's just a lifestyle change. That's it. We're almost in the 3rd month of the new year. You can start right now. And trust and believe me, you will lose the weight. You will feel so much better. So much better. My favorite food is French fries, especially homemade French fries with Yukon potatoes. That was my downfall. But now that I'm a dialysis patient, I really can't do that because it has a lot of potassium in it. And the potatoes is the reason why I'm a diabetic as well. From a child, I grew up cutting potatoes up and cooking them. That's my favorite, and sweet onions. And I don't know why I prefer potatoes over rice. But I had to cut back. And I did. But I just want to help people share the awareness. I am the walking testimony of my brand. Eating healthy does not have to be boring. Eating healthy is not about eating lettuce and grass. You can do smoothies, you can do protein bars, it's a whole lot on the spectrum that you can do. And I want my subscribers to engage with me and learn how to eat properly. That's it. And I promise you will feel better. Happy Sunday. Blessings to all. Good night. See you in the next video.